The train ahead is about to depart. Hurry, passengers.
Last second made it easy. Some bikes make them cringe. Yours steals the show. Smooth glide than ever. Smaller than smaller. This is Aniwow, the world's most compact folding.
Wow!
Aniwow follows you to all city corners, anywhere you go. Wider tires for smooth alleyway navigation. Whether carrying a romantic bouquet or a morning baguette, Aniwow 16 makes every trip special. Even your pup's ride is first class. Stop playing Tetris in your trunk. Fold it small and ready to go. With wide tread tires, Aniwow lets you ride confidently, whether you're downtown or off the beaten path. With AW16, folding isn't just for storage. It's the start of new exploration. Aniwow is more than a bike. It's an extension of your urban life. Make it happen. Please support us on Kickstarter.